This is Mulla, I think it is, waterhole, northeast, about 20 k's northeast of Innamincka. Burke's grave is towards Innamincka, to our left. King was found further down the river. Across the other side of the river, Howard had his camp. Howard came looking for Burke and Wells and found King. Further up the river that way is the Dig Tree. It's late afternoon, it's actually quite nice now. It's been stinking hot. This is the sort of country that they were in. They were caught in. Once you go about 500 metres to a K either side of the river, it's just desolate rock. Hot, dry and just absolutely barren. So they were pretty well trapped here. So this is Cooper's Creek in flood. As you can see, well, hopefully you can see there's actually quite a strong current. If you can see past the flies, you can see the river or the creek. It's a permanent waterhole, and it's flowing quite strongly. And there's a second front coming down at some stage fairly soon, which will push even more water in the lake here. Look at that. It's the light from the sunset on those trees. Okay, down there is Cooper's Creek in flood. This gives you a really good idea of the countryside. So that's the creek there. Go around about 100 metres away. Ignore the tar on the roadside. There's the countryside. That's what you're walking into. It's crazy. Look at that. Goes like that for a long way. Here we are on the, where are we?
Cooper's Creek Channel country.
Okay, upstream, quite a way upstream, heading towards, where are we heading towards? Windora, Quilpie. See, it's running pretty quickly. It's got a stick there. This goes for, we're at the eastern end, and there's channels all the way through there. So the river or creek spreads out and just sort of breaks up into a whole lot of little streams. Pretty amazing to see. This is great.